like a Hellcat.
Hello friends, welcome back to our channel Tanmai's Experiments. In today's video, we are going to do an fun science experiment. So first, let's see the materials required. We need a glass of water, 2 balloons, a lighter or matchbox, a candle, a funnel, and a plate. Now let's see the procedure. Now first, take a balloon and blow it normally and tie it and keep it aside. See, I have blown a balloon and tied it. Now keep this aside. Now take the other balloon and insert the funnel into it. See, I am inserting, friends. See friends, I have inserted the funnel into the balloon. Now pour the water through the funnel into the balloon. If you don't have funnel, no problem friends. You can directly attach the balloon to the tap and put the water inside. Friends, I poured the water through the tap because it is not, all the water is not going inside the balloon. Now blow the balloon. See friends, I have filled the whole balloon with water and tied it in the front. Now light the candle with the lighter. See, I have lighted it. Now pour some wax and keep the candle on the plate. See, I have placed the candle on the plate. Now take the balloon filled with air. See, I have taken the balloon which is filled with air. Now keep it on the candle. See, the balloon bursted when we keep it on the candle. See, when I keep the balloon filled with water, the balloon doesn't pop. So, our experiment has succeeded. Now let's see how does the experiment work. See, I am keeping some more time. See, it doesn't burst. So yes, our experiment has succeeded. How does it work? The reason a balloon filled with air pops when you put it over a flame because the rubber of the balloon gets very hot and weak and then breaks. When you fill a balloon with water instead of air, the water absorbs most of the heat, so the rubber doesn't get very hot. Water has a very high heat capacity, much higher than air, so it will keep the balloon from bursting. Thank you for watching. If you like this video, please like, share, comment and subscribe to Tanmai's Experiments and also activate the bell icon to be notified by the upcoming videos.
Hellcat.